What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Bald. I just want to talk about the LG washer and dryer again. The washer works great, loving it. This damn dryer giving us trouble. I don't know if I can't find any YouTube videos that talks about this issue that we are having. I'm going to talk about it. But anyway, so we got the set put in. The dryer did not work. We had a 4-prong socket right here. Did not work. We got this one delivered, swapped it out. This is a brand new one. Plugged it up to 4-prong, didn't work. All right, got my brother-in-law over here. He's an electrician, so he knows what he's doing. He took this one out, put that one in the wall. That's a 3-prong. This washer or this dryer could take 3 or 4-prong. Hooked it up, tested it, made sure the juice was flowing through. 240 volts. This is a 240 volt dryer. Most of the LGs are. Hooked it up, plugged it up, still nothing. Doesn't work. The funny thing is, we had a dryer hooked up to this already, 4-prong, and it worked just fine. We had 2 sets in here over time. Got the new set LG in here. It doesn't work. 3-prong. Has anyone else had these, hiccups here, had these problems? Let me know in the comments below, and if so, what did you do to fix it? I mean, we have to call LG. I don't want to swap it out and get another one in here. They're all 240 volts, and I'm sure they'll rather have a technician come out, which we're going to have to do that. It's not on our end. We have the power. We're fine, but it's not powering this. The light does not come on. The power button, nothing. Usually it beeps when you plug it up. It doesn't beep. It doesn't do anything. This is not soaking up power from the house for some reason. So if you have 240 volts, which that's what this is, pushing through your house, it might not power this. So be aware of that when you get these LG these washer and dryers. This is only 120, I believe. So this works just fine. This is a whole separate breaker than this one. This is all by itself too, and we switched it on and off, hooked it up, did different things. We held this down for 5 seconds, then this for 5 seconds. No power whatsoever is going to this. We've switched out different plugs. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to give you an update video once I talk to LG. These are brand new. We just bought these. I'm going to give you an update video and see what they say as far as, are they going to send a technician out to maybe get inside this thing and reset it or reconfigure something? Or are they going to send us a different set? I don't know, but these are brand new. Doesn't work. It's not our house. So if you guys had the same problem, please let me know, because I don't know. It seems like I'm the only one. I have not seen a video on YouTube that talks about this issue. Brand new, getting no electricity out of the box. It's not like the light comes on, it just doesn't spin or anything. Nothing. There's no light in there that comes on. Nothing works on the dryer. Washer, we're loving the washer. So anyway, if you guys know what's going on, please shoot me a message in the comments and let me know that you had the same problem. What did they do to fix it? Can you please help? All right, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'm always posting different videos. It's not just about this. Of many different purchases. I have some cool gadgets coming in too. So thanks for the support, and y'all have a great day.